Okie dokie, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a French apple cake. First thing you want to do is dump a stick of butter that you've melted into a mixing bowl. After that, you want to add about 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Put on your paddle attachment and cream the butter and sugar together. And then you want to add 2 eggs, one at a time, while the mixer is going in on low. After those flavors have blended together, you want to add a teaspoon of vanilla and then 3 tablespoons of rum. If you want to duplicate mine, I used Captain Morgan. Okay, now it's time to add the dry ingredients, and that's simply a mix of a cup of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Lock in the attachment, and then beat on low till the batter forms. By the way, this would be a good time to preheat your oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And you just want to keep beating this around to you get kind of a batter consistency. Because we got one more ingredient to add, and that's, of course, the apples. Okay, so I peeled, cored, and diced 2 Granny Smith apples till they had about 1/2-inch pieces. That's what you're looking for. You do want them kind of chunky. So just spin these around until they're mixed. Shouldn't be too long. Okay, and in a 9-inch springform cake pan, whatever. I don't know, the ones you use to make cheesecakes out of. You want to put your mix in there. Make sure you spray the pan with that non-stick cooking spray they sell in the baking aisle, like Pam or whatever you want to call it. And then you want to spread this out. Actually, my cake was a little smaller than normal because I didn't measure the pan. And this is actually an 11-inch one. So, oh well. And then you want to basically bake this for 40 minutes. After the 40 minutes, pull it out and do the, standard knife test. So again, I'll see you after 40 minutes. Okay, and after 40 minutes, this is what you're looking for. So to serve this, either a little powdered sugar or some whipped cream, or actually it tasted pretty good without any of that shit. So, that's French apple cake. Done.